Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. In today's episode, I bring another super duper starter, which is potato cutlet. You can watch the full recipe in Balghari Kitchen. So I'm going to make potato cutlets in Balghari Kitchen. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen, subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments in comment section. So let me take you to Balghari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for potato cutlet. Here I have already boiled the potato, 2 eggs for binding, leaves chopped, spring onion fine chopped, coriander leaves chopped, red chili powder, corn flour, cumin seed, turmeric powder, garlic powder, green chili chopped, salt, and coriander powder. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe, potato cutlet. Let's start our potato cutlet. Take one bowl. I'm going to add my potatoes which I boiled already. I'm going to mash the potato and mash. Potato is mashed. So now I'm going to add the ingredients: corn flour for binding, turmeric powder, garlic powder, chili powder, green chili, salt, spring onion, coriander powder, mint leaves, cumin seed, and coriander. So mix all together with the help of spatula, or you can use your hand as well. Mix together all. It's this way. You can see like this. Need some more corn flour. Adding some more corn flour. Mix together. Mix gently until this all mixed together. At this point, you can check the spicy, salt and pepper. I'm going to taste now to check. Everything is perfect, so quite nice. Just mix it and rest for 20 minutes. Let's start our potato cutlets. Make this much. It's like 40 to 50 gram. Make it round shape like this way. You can see this one. Then you can press, and then you can, so this way you can make and put it here. So one I make with my hand, so another I'm going to make with something like this. If you have cutter or something like that, you can put like this, press like that, so it will be same sequence. You'll get the same thing. Then I'm going to put it here, same way, press nicely, leftover. With the same way you can make all the cutlets in the round shape. So make like this all, then you can open like this, so make it like this. So all you can make like this way. So viewers, our all potato cutlet is being prepared. So I'm going to keep in freezer for 10-15 minutes before it's frying, so it will not break while you are frying. I'm going to put in freezer for 15 minutes. Let's start our potato cutlets. Taking pan, adding some oil. I'm going to make shallow fry, so very less oil. So here I have beaten 2 eggs, and then taking our cutlet, dip in the egg, both sides, and then going to fry. Same way, you can make 3 each. Put that here. So viewers, let's try upside down. We're going to turn out with the help of some spatula. Look at this, nice. Put it. So keep another 2 to 3 minutes for another side. Look at this beautiful color with the egg and delicious potato cutlets. So viewers, our potato cutlets ready. I'm going to dish out. We're going to remove, put in paper towel so the oil will drain. So viewers, our cutlets are ready. I'm going to serve in the serving plate. Delicious cutlets. Sprinkle some coriander. So viewers, our delicious potato cutlets is ready in Balghari kitchen. Look at this beautiful color. I can't stop tasting. Let's taste some. I'm going to cut some and going to taste. It's very soft. Look at this. Mmm, really delicious. Very soft and mild spicy and very tasty. You can make it in your kitchen for your guests. It's very good starter, easy to prepare in your kitchen. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments for this beautiful recipe. Ta-ta-ta. Enjoy in Bulgari Kitchen.